Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, gonna smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to get notification on your mobile phone or on your PC as well as how you actually visit YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be looking at how you can actually get order on Fiverr quickly as soon as possible. And this method actually lies on what you put in to your gig while you're trying to set up your gig on Fiverr platform. And also it also depends on the niche you are. There are some kind of niche which are highly saturated, and you have to niche down to keyword research and know the kind of keywords you have to include in your gig before you can be able to get order on Fiverr as soon as possible. Literally, if you are into website design, WordPress design, ebook writing, article writing, you have to niche down to some certain keywords that you know that buyers are searching on Fiverr, and probably most sellers are not using these keywords. These are the only method you can actually use to get order as soon as possible, and before you know, you definitely get an order. And trust me, there are some people that started Fiverr and get order in just a week while they start, and some people it takes them like a 3 month, 4 month, 5 month. The case is actually different, and it all depends on how experienced you are when you are trying to set up an account on Fiverr. What you put into details, how you understand the SEO, which they call search engine optimization. This will definitely help you to niche down and understand how Fiverr actually works, how the algorithm actually works, how algorithm will pick up your gig and put it on the first page, second page, third page to fifth page. Within these pages, you'll be able to get order on Fiverr as soon as possible. And also how you actually stay online on Fiverr really matter a lot, because lately to available sellers that are actually online, so that it will be easier for them to explain their project to a seller, and then the seller can get started on that particular project. As well as myself, I also filter to online sellers anytime I actually want to hire a freelancer or seller on the platform, so that my project can be handled immediately. So same thing goes to all these popular keywords here, which are website design, WordPress, logo design, video editing. These are kind of like saturated keywords. If you include all these keywords in your gig, it will take a lot of time before your gig can actually make it to the first 5 pages on Fiverr. And with this, it will take you a long time before you can actually make a sale on Fiverr. So how can you get keywords that buyers are actually searching with less competitive? So there's one extension for Chrome which is called Fiverr Quick View. I don't know if you have an idea about how that actually works. So Fiverr Quick View. So with this extension, you'll be able to have access to low competitive keywords which you can actually apply to your Fiverr gig. And also Fiverr has suggestion keywords which also help sellers to niche down and also understand what other keywords they can actually include on their gig. Let's say for instance search for website design. So let's check on website design and see what we have in there. Okay, I think let me just search using the search box here. Okay, I think it's loading, so I want to check if this suggestion keywords actually show up here, because it used to show up here. So with that kind of keywords, it's like 6 to 7 keywords which will be listed in here. So with all those keywords, you're able to understand some other keywords you can actually implement on your gig. So now let me explain what this Fiverr Quick View actually is and how it actually works. So going back to my date, this is the search box that I just. So this is Instagram management. So you can see this is the suggestion keyword I'm actually talking about. So you can see the keywords is like 7 keywords. You see it in here. So these are other related keywords you can actually input to your gig. So Instagram manager, Instagram growth, Instagram engagement, Instagram promotion, Instagram marketing, Instagram post, Instagram content. These are the keywords that people that search for Instagram management also search, and these are kind of like related keywords which you can also include in your gig when you are trying to set up your gig. So now let me explain the Fiverr quick view for you so you can actually understand. So this is the work of Fiverr quick view. Fiverr quick view will give you idea and a lot of broad keywords under that niche, under Instagram, under social media marketing. So you can see content creation. You can create content for Instagram, Facebook management. This is social media keywords. Increase followers, which is on Instagram, social media, social marketer, stories, grow Instagram, content calendar. You can actually create content for Instagram, ads campaign, data entry, online work. These are some kind of like related keywords that are related to Instagram management itself. So with this, you'll be able to, you can just search for all these keywords one after the other, put each of these keywords in the Fiverr search. You see, on this Instagram management, you have over 7,000 gigs with these keywords. So what you're gonna do is, you might literally know that this keyword is also high saturated, but not as some other keywords which have like 20,000 service. So you can just niche down and check some other keyword, which is Instagram content. Let's take for instance Instagram content. So let's search for Instagram content and see how many gigs are in there. So Instagram content, so you see for Instagram content we have close to 2,000 gigs, which is close to 2,000 service. So this keyword is actually less competitive, and you can actually use this keyword to make money on Fiverr. And you can see the existing seller in there, they are actually making the best out of it. So these are the things you actually need to look into. You need to do keywords research to understand what is SEO, what is keywords, and how buyer actually think when they want to buy a service on the platform. So with this, you will be able to get your order as soon as possible on Fiverr freelancing platform. Also, if you are running your account and you actually like to stay online offline and offline, so there are some extensions you can actually download for your PC for Chrome as well, which is auto refresh extension. So you will see it in Chrome extension, auto refresh for Chrome. So there are a lot of extensions there, and if you can see, this is the extension. So, and if you are running your own account through your mobile phone, you can also visit like URL reload using browser URL reload. So on this website, you also have access to reload every page on your dashboard. So reloading your dashboard page will keep you online, and also you have to let your browser maintain on that particular page so that this page will be refreshing. So just copy your dashboard URL, then place it on this particular page, then set the interval to like 300, which is around 5 minutes. So around 3 to 5 minutes, sorry. So with that, you'll be able to this extension or the web page, you'll be able to reload your dashboard URL or your Fiverr dashboard every 3 to 5 minutes. So this is how you can actually refresh, and it will definitely keep you staying online on Fiverr. Also for the Chrome Chrome extension for auto refresh, so you can actually download the auto refresh here. I already have it here, you can see. So you can click on auto refresh, then you will see it on the section here. So I'm actually using on incognito, so you will see it in here, then just activate it just like this, So I think this is the auto refresh extension. So then you activate it, so it will show times and everything. So just click on 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, so it depends on minutes you actually want to set it to. So anytime you are on your PC, this extension will keep on reloading your Fiverr page, and it will definitely keep you online. And anytime buyer visit a keyword you have in your own gig and see you online, they will definitely message you. So some other way you can actually use to get order as soon as possible, quick as much as you actually want is by sharing your Fiverr gig link on social media platform where you believe that you can actually get clients who will be interested in your service. You can also use Quora platform to also promote your gig and you'll be able to get order as soon as possible. So if you try all this method, you definitely get your order quick and very effective. But you don't just create Fiverr account and just hope that definitely you surely get order. It doesn't work that way, because there are a lot of competitors, there are a lot of people who are also offering the same service just like you. So, and they are not relenting. They are doing all this that I just mentioned in this video to get their first sale, and once they get their first sale, the journey just begin from there, and they are ready to do lots more so that they will be able to make money on Fiverr. So these are the things people actually do, and these are the things you can actually do to get Fiverr order quickly. So if you apply all this method, trust me, you are going to get your first order within 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. In less than a month, you'll be able to get a first sale on Fiverr platform. So if you have any question regarding this video, can you drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.